Hello my students, fourth grade, how are you today? Welcome again in Al-Hadi Al-Mohammad schools. Today's lesson is language in use and you need to open your workbook page 75. We have an outcome for today, use possessive pronouns. My students, in the previous class we explained possessive pronouns and we said we have possessive pronouns for subject pronouns. For example, she, and when we use possessive pronouns for she, it becomes hers, he, his, I, mine, they, theirs, we, ours, you, yours. And let us repeat this example again. Is that your book? هل هذا الكتاب لك? No, it isn't mine. Here you are talking about yourself and you have to use mine لأنك تتكلم عن نفسك، فبدل ما أن تستخدم I نقوم باستخدام ضمير الملكية المناسب ل I وهو mine. Now look at the next example. My pencil is broken. Can I borrow yours? My pencil is broken. Can I borrow yours? هل بإمكاني أن أستعير قلمك? So here it refers to you and you have to use the possessive pronouns for you, which is yours. Now let us complete the activities in your workbook. Now please open your workbook page 76. Exercise number 1. Circle the words to complete the sentences. Number 1. That isn't our school. Here we are talking about our school. So we have to match the suitable possessive pronouns for our, which is ours. Ours is one on the other side of town. Number 2. Whose is the bike? As we said, we use whose to ask about possessive things. نستخدم whose للسؤال عن ملكية شيء معين. Whose is this bike? لمن هذا البايك? I think it's Peter's. Yes, here we are talking about Peter's. So we have to use yes. His is new. So here, because we are talking about Peter's, so the suitable one is his. Because he is a boy. لأنه ولد فإن ضمير الملكية المناسب للولد هو his. Is that Vicky's tablet? Here we are talking about Vicky. No, hers is on the table. So we are talking about a girl لأننا نتحدث عن بنت. So the suitable possessive pronoun for she is hers. Number 4. Is this my charger? My charger. Here we have my. No, yours or ours is over there. Here we have my, so the suitable one is yours. Number 5. Is this Freddie and Jane's house? Here we have Freddie and Jane's. And the answer is no, his or theirs. Here we have plural, so the suitable possessive pronoun is theirs. No, theirs is in the next street. Number 6. This isn't my phone. My phone. Here we have my, so we have to complete with mine is white, not black. Mine. Now move to the second activity, complete the dialogue. As you can see here, we have a box with words which are the possessive pronouns, which are theirs, ours, whose, yours, mine, and hers. A. Is that your tablet? B. Yes, well, it's mine. Here you have to answer about yourself and you have to say mine. And my sister's. So really it's. Now the tablet is mine and my sister's. So really it's. Excellent. It's ours. Lana. A. It's cool. And is that your sister's smartphone? So here we ask about your sister's, who is a girl. So the answer, no, it isn't. Yes, it isn't hers. So here we have to write hers because we are talking about sister. A. Is it your mom and dad's? Here we have mom and dad, which is plural. So we have to use no, it isn't. Excellent, theirs, because we are talking about mom and dad. So we have to say no, it isn't theirs. Well, and here we have to use the WH word that we have to use to ask about possessive pronouns, which is whose. وأداة السؤال المناسبة للسؤال عن الملكية هي whose. Whose is it? B. It's my uncle's, but I can use it. A. Lucky you. Oh, I mustn't forget my charger. B. That's not yours, it's mine. Because you are talking to another one, so you have to use yours. That's not yours, it's mine. Now move to the third activity. Exercise number 3. Write questions and answers. As you can see here, we have pictures and we have to write the questions and also answer the questions according to these signs, which are ticks or cross. Now look at the first picture. What can you see? Yes, excellent. We can see phone. Now here we have to write a question. Is this grandpa's phone? Look here, we have to ask about grandpa. And don't forget to add us here, which is possessive us with apostrophe. Is this grandpa's phone? And we have to answer yes or no according to this sign, which is tick. Here we have tick, so we have to answer with yes. Yes, it's his. Excellent. Here we have to use his because we are talking about grandpa. Now look at the second picture. What can you see? Yes, we can see earphones. Now, do you think earphones singular noun or plural noun? Yes, excellent. It is plural. So we have to begin the question with are. Are these Bell's earphones? So here we have to write are these Bell's earphones, and remember we have to use this as, which is possessive as. Are these Bell's earphones? And here we have cross, so we have to answer with no. No, they aren't. Now move to number 3. What can you see in this picture? Yes, we can see a skateboard. And here you have to ask about you. Is this your skateboard? Is this your skateboard? So this is the question. And we have cross, so we have to answer with no. No, it isn't mine. No, it isn't mine. Now move to the fourth one. Here we have a printer, and we have to ask about this printer with Stephen and Anne. Also, we have to begin the question with is because it is singular noun. Is this Stephen and Anne's printer? Is this Stephen and Anne printer? And here we have Anne's. We have to use this as, which is possessive as. And you have to answer with yes because we have take. Yes, it is theirs. Here we have to use theirs because we are talking about Stephen and Anne. So we have to answer yes, it is theirs. Move to number 5. As you can see in this picture, we have clothes. Now we have to write a question that begins with are because we have a plural noun which is clothes. Are these our clothes? Are these our clothes? هل هذه الملابس لنا? And here we have take. And we have to answer with yes. Yes, they are ours. So here we answered with ours because we asked about our clothes. Now, my students, try to do number 6 alone and check your answer from the video. My students, that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you next class. Goodbye.